Hey folks, Alamatic the Hot Rod Hippie here. Today's another Tuesday, and that means Tool Tip Tuesday. So let's check out what I got for you today. So today we are checking out the Sunex Tools 9732 bit driver set. It's 1/4" bit driver and socket set. I really like this one. It stands out a little bit from some of the other ones because it has both a flexible head design, which some on the market do have, but it also has a 1/4" square drive on the other side of the head. So within one tool, you've got both a 1/4" drive ratchet and a 1/4" bit driver. The bit driver is the more important thing to me personally. I like it for that. Getting up under a dashboard, under a seat, in a tight engine area where you've got to mess with a Phillips screw, Torx screw, something like this is really handy. Even a regular ratchet with a socket on it is going to be a much higher profile design than this will be to fit into those tighter areas. Now, the set also comes with 11 Spline Drive 1/4" drive sockets. The Spline Drive design is a little bit nice because it'll work on external Torx, square drive, 6-point, 12-point, and Spline Drive fasteners, so you have a lot of options what you can use these on, not just 6-point, 12-point, whatever you're locked into with a standard design. I will say I'm not a huge fan of Spline Drive personally because it's a one-size-fits-all situation, and one-size-fits-all usually means it doesn't fit any one purpose exactly right. Aside from Spline Drive, obviously, but how often do you come across Spline Drive fasteners in this day and age? The set does come with 30 1/4" bits, and it'll work with any of your standard 1/4" bits from any of your other sets you may have. Really, if you're an auto tech and you're working under dashes, you're working in tight areas, this thing is just handy as heck for getting into tighter areas and supplementing your screwdrivers, your ratcheting screwdriver, your regular ratchets. This is just a handy little thing to add to your arsenal, your options when it comes to attacking those hard to reach fasteners. So if you don't have a ratcheting bit driver set up, I really do like this thing. I would recommend it. It has a lifetime warranty, and overall, it's gonna meet your needs when it comes to functioning as a ratcheting bit driver. Sunex also has one that's a little bit cheaper. This one runs about $35, $40. They have one that doesn't have a flex head and only drives bits. That one goes for about $22. I'm gonna link both of those in the description down below so you can check out those links and pick one of these up for yourself if you're interested. All right, folks, I hope you found this video informative. If you did, drop it a like. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you have one of these bit drivers? Do you have a different one you like? What do you use them for? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more content like this every week. Thanks for coming around, folks.